Hi guys, it's me again. As you can see, that's me just coming in from the left hand side of the screen from my second solo nav. This time round I managed to get all the way to Uckfield, so it's more or less a 40-mile round trip. I'm still struggling to put into words how it made me feel, but what an incredible experience and a major milestone in my training. As most of you will probably know, I was gunning for my 45 hours minimum to take my test. But due to the weather we've been having, I'm not going to have enough solo hours to take my examination on the 45-hour mark. Nonetheless, all the hours I'm doing now will also contribute to my hour building, which obviously goes towards my CPL as well. All it means now though is to do a few more solo hours, including my cross country between Goodwood and Lydd, dropping off at Shoreham in between. Then my last two exams and of course my radio licence. Once that's done, I can take my PPL and I will officially, with luck, be a pilot. Thanks again for coming back and watching all my videos. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But for now, sit back, relax and watch a student helicopter pilot take his second solo navigation flight to Uckfield. Cheers guys.
I've lifted, just waiting instructions for the local to the north.
Heli Alpha Sierra, Roger Air, taxi to 24.
Taxi to 24, Heli Alpha Sierra.
Other station was that Army Air 445.
Shoreham Golf Bravo, uniform Alpha.
Golf Uniform Alpha, Shoreham Tower, flash message.
2,000 feet down the coast, heading to Worthing Pier, returning. I've got information Mike with 1004, 1002.
Golf Uniform Alpha, Roger. Just remain outside the ATZ. It'll be about a 5-minute delay here at number 2 for joining.
Remain outside the ATZ, uniform Alpha. Heli Alpha Sierra at the 24 numbers.
Heli Alpha Sierra, Roger, hold position.
Holding position, Heli Alpha Sierra.
Golf India November, Kilo 1 ready for departure. Golf India November, Roger, hold at Kilo 1.
Holding Kilo 1, Golf India November. Right, well while I'm waiting, I am about to go on my second solo.
Heli Alpha Sierra, you vision with the Cessna just on the short final runway 20.
Yeah, got visual, Heli Alpha Sierra.
Heli Alpha Sierra, behind that traffic, clear to take off with a right turn out to the north behind. Surface wind 280 degrees, 10 knots.
Clear for departure, we'll take off behind, crossing 20, Heli Alpha Sierra.
Golf Yankee Tango, report overhead 2,000 feet, expect standard overhead join.
Golf Yankee Tango, call you overhead, and we're at Littlehampton, the same 2,500.
Golf Yankee Tango, understood. I believe there are 2 Fireflies in the vicinity of Worthing this time. I'm going to probably join crosswind ahead of you.
That's no problem, Golf Yankee Tango. Army Air 415 is now approaching New Haven, descending low level with low level wrong running information.
Army Air 445, thank you, and Squawk 7000, good day.
Squawk 7000, thank you very much, good day.
Golf Alpha Tango, vacate left by Alpha, taxi pump or parking.
Vacate left, Golf Alpha Tango.
Golf India November, runway 20, line up.
Golf India November, lining up, runway 20.
Golf Uniform Alpha, join a report crosswind, runway 20.
Join report crosswind at 20, Uniform Alpha. Right, we're up again. So this is my second solo, navigation solo. Got a bit busy in the airfield there because of a dead seagull on the runway.
Romeo Juliet, land after the vacating twin, 280 degrees, 12 knots.
So hence why it's been quite busy on the radio, I haven't been able to talk. But it's my second solo in the air. What we're doing today is we're just going past a place called Henfield, in between Haywards Heath and then Burgess Hill, on the way to Uckfield, and then we're just going to turn around and come back. Bit more power on, managing to maintain 1,300 feet, which is what I've declared. So that's a good start so far. Now we've got a pretty nasty, well it's only localised, but it's a pretty big rain cloud to my right here, which is exactly where I'm supposed to be going, so we'll play it by ear for now, and if we're going to catch up with it.
Golf Zulu Bravo, runway 20, clear for takeoff, surface wind 290 degrees, 11 knots.
We'll do a quick turnaround and come back in the other direction, I guess. It's a shame. It would be nice to get all the way to Uckfield. So just approaching this power station here. It's quite an easy nav. I'll link up with this power station and then just follow the power lines all the way to Uckfield, more or less. Obviously we've got to go bang in between Burgess Hill and Haywards Heath. You said that wrong, but so that makes that part easy. But all we're going to do, you might see it on the camera that I got just below. Just link up with this power line right here. Let's turn that down a bit, so I've got a cracky radio. I'm going to do a couple of orbits, purely because I've got visible moisture on the screen, so the car beats had to go full on, and it may just give this cloud and rain a chance to shift on a little bit. It doesn't look too beyond, it's very localised, it's just that section there, but may as well just do a little orbital right now, just to make sure. Hold off a little bit longer. Clear a picture of it. Yeah, it's well beyond Burgess Hill, but I imagine that's pretty much on top of Uckfield as we speak. A little turn, 360 turn. Also gives me an opportunity to make sure there's nothing coming up behind me. Yeah, that was the right thing to do, I think. I'll get a little bit closer, we'll just pick up the power lines now, get in between the two towns. And if we have to do the same again, then we have to do the same again. Not a problem. Quite a big moment in my training, really, being able to get away from the airport, completely on my own, out of the elements, no safety net, i.e. Harvey. Rain cloud appears to be clearing up, it's moving southeasterly, so if I just maintain this heading here, which is east, 90 degrees, then we should be absolutely on. It's a pretty nasty rain cloud right there, but we've managed to get around it. Would not want to be caught up in that, well, for any of the weather recently, to be honest. I mean, it's been absolutely awful. I don't know if you've, are there any other pilots out there been grounded? I certainly know a few other students that have been. So it's nice to maybe see the back of it. He says, looking at a huge rain cloud right there. Not looking too nice at all, but I've kept left of the power lines deliberately because it just gives you that extra space. Just exercise precaution wherever you can. I'm now on my way back to Shoreham. We managed to get to Uckfield and did a couple of orbits to avoid the weather. So it's absolutely thrilling being up here on my own. Absolutely amazing. Rightio, we're now coming back up to Haywards Heath and Burgess Hill. So it's straight down the middle of those two. Get a bit more speed on because the ground speed is still only at 62 knots now. And I'm looking ahead, searching for that power station, which I've got, but also seems to be a bit of rain beyond it. So what I might do, come.
Yeah, apparently that's the last flight of that one, DJ, so bring everything.
Yeah, I'm going to come left of Burgess Hill, and then rejoin that way. And it mixes it up a little bit. I'll just do the same route. Comfortable enough to do it. I just had a moment. 1,300 feet in the air. On my own. In a helicopter. A helicopter.
Now we have traffic at final number 2 and report final 20 take off.
I never thought those words would come out of my mouth, but they just have. Oh, blimey. Right. That's your moment now, Will. Time to worry about the flying. Not so much yo-yoing today, which is filled me with confidence. Feel a lot better about that. It's just been really, really harsh on yourself. Harvey's always telling me to be harsher on myself. In terms of just, you know, nailing perfection, nailing that accuracy when flying. And
Jet A1, Roger, we'll order that for you.
his advice seems to be paying off. So, probably a few too many glances at the instrument panel, but
you can turn base. It might be for go. I need to get a runway inspection.
maintain that horizon is key to begin with. It's always worth glancing.
Early up Sierra, final for whiskey. Early up Sierra, clear on whiskey, 300 degrees, 9 knots. Heli up Sierra, clear to land, whiskey, 300 degrees, 9 knots.
Apologies, clear to land at whiskey, heli up Sierra.
Golf Kilo Lima going round.
Kill him.
Golf Bravo Hotel India November inbound.
Golf Bravo Hotel India November, Shoreham approach. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, system 152, just passing the Amex. We have information November 1003 QFE, and we'd like to join on a left base.
Golf India November, report back from the tunnels, initially not below altitude 1,006, crescent height 1,600 feet on the QFE 1003. Look out for a PA31 joining, possibly ahead of you, and there's instrument traffic inbound.
Roger, copy the traffic, well there we go guys, that was absolutely fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Time's about to run out on the GoPro, sort these batteries out GoPro. But yeah, we enjoyed that. Just going to taxi back to Advance now, and yeah, please don't forget to like, share and comment on the videos. Thank you very much, have a good one. Early up Sierra, request taxi back to Advance please.
Heli up Sierra, hold position, traffic turning final.
Holding, Heli up Sierra.